Okay guys, so let's start the video by hearing how this beautiful car sounds. Whoops. It's beautiful, man. Check it out how it sounds. It is stunning. Okay guys, so take a look. We have this beautiful piece of art right in front of me here. Now this is the new Continental GT, but this is the first edition. Now color of this car is in Glacier white. It's a solid paint, as you can see. We have these black finishes all over the grille, down here, side here. Absolutely stunning. Love the Bentley badging that we have right here. The lights are designed in such a way, but I believe it's a bit bright right now, so maybe it may turn on. There we go, it turns on. I love this design down here, these finishes down here. Looks absolutely elegant, decent, stunning in every way possible. The centerpiece right there, those lines here, amazing, amazing work. Now the wheels, 22-inch red calipers, solid disc brakes, stunning design guys. It's beautiful, love this design so much. Now let's open up a little bit details of the unit for us to find out exact name. So this is the 10 swept spoke wheel, black painted. So this is called the 10 swept spoke wheel. I believe it's designed in such a way that's like that. Now check out the first edition wording that we have right here. Stunning. Side mirrors, turn indicators located right there. This black strip that we have down here with the white and the black, stunning again, once again. Hope you guys are here someday to actually experience this in person. But look at that black touch that we have right here, then with the white. Let's open up the doors. Check that out. Damn. You see how that 3D effect that it shows? Some movement happening with the lights, guys. Stunning. Got the first edition wording right here. Handcrafted in Crewe, England. Bentley. Lit up like that. Now these chrome touches here and there are nice, you know. But damn, very nice. These are in this black kind of like metal finish. I'll get the exact terms in the future of how beautifully spec these cars are. But in the meantime, check out this 3D effect that we have for the doors. Name sound system. Gotta be here to see this in person, hear this in person if you wish to. The speed wording that we have here, the ambient lighting built in directly inside here, stunning. The suede finishes here and there, leather, suede, gear knob in this color, that strip right there. Beluga is the name of the dark color interior, black. Now the finishes that you have right here, these are called Portland. This is the Portland and Beluga, you know. So it's Beluga all over the place. Then you got Portland here and there. So it's stunning. Beautiful. I love the interior, guys. Super nice. Let's move the seat forward. Check that out. Check out the back seat, guys. Now I'm not going to sit into the back because I don't want to be going and seasoning up the leather in a way too much, because this belongs to a future owner. So looking forward to buy this car. But check out the seatbelt, black seatbelt that we have right here. Cup holders to locate right there. Stitching for your Bentley logos are on the other car, but this is embroidery done. Amazing work. Wow, super comfortable and nice. You gotta be here to feel and see this in person. Let's pull the seat back. It moves back by itself. Stunning. Now let's close the doors. For this, push it back in. Soft close doors. Look at that, swept spoke wheels, guys. 22-inch. Wow, it's beautiful. red calipers. Just looking at this in person is stunning. Got some black linings here to blend in and mix with the wheels. Let's open that up. This is the charging part that we have right here. Open that up. AC. Close that back. Push that down. Done. Check out the blacked out rear tail lights. Bentley logo. Exhaust pipes in this different color finishing we have right here and there. Amazing look, guys. Amazing look. Now this should be for the oh yeah, sorry, we gotta open back the front. But anyway, one more. This should be the petrol tank. Amazing wheels, guys. Beautiful. Open that up. Driver's side things. Now you have seat adjustments, plenty of seat adjustments here. This car is the first edition, so it comes with all these gadgets that are more advanced compared to the other car we have lying there earlier, which is located right there. But let's take a very quick seat in this. But before we go into, let's take a look at the carpet. Super soft and nice. Very, very nice. Sweet finish here and there. Sit down inside. He welcomes you with that speed wording. Wow. It is beautiful. This is a piece of art. Portland design for the gear knob. This has a rotating display so it can rotate. Start button is right here. Let's push this. Cup holders. Lift that up. Same thing. Wireless charging. 12-volt charger. Close that back down. Wow, this two-tone finish. Portland design of a steering wheel. If you're here sitting down right now, you're able to feel this, how beautiful this car looks. Stunning. Established in 1919. Nice. Some settings here and there for you to adjust. A lot of other settings that you can find here. You can find here as well. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful piece of art. So we got some stuff over here. Lightings and whatnot. Sensors. Your sweet finish of the roof. Beautiful. This all is the Beluga design. Beluga color interior. That finishing from the door side all the way here. Elegant, decent. All these touches here and there. Metal finishes. Metal finishes here and there. Beautiful. It is so beautiful, guys. You have to be here to experience this in person, but it looks beautiful. So guys, let's close the door. Push that back in. Goes in really well. Beautiful design, guys. Beautiful design in person. Check that out, guys. Stunning, stunning piece of art. Super beautiful. And yes, guys, if you'd like to find out more about Bentley cars, you want place to go all the way here in Kuala Lumpur. They are located right beside KLCC. You can find their cars all here. This is the first edition. Super unique piece of art. And we got the other one right there. We got many more other cars all over the place located. Now, if you'd like to find out more, there's only one place to go. In the description below, you can find the location of the showroom, and you can head down here and visit them in person to find out more about Bentley cars, and hopefully you'll be able to purchase your brand new Bentley in the near future. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.